myself Mr. Pranay Prabhakar Teravkar. I have completed my bachelor's in biotechnology from Viva College, currently pursuing the post-graduation in clinical research from Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute. I would like to take this opportunity to share my journey with the Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute, Thane, India. In my opinion, the best part is which makes me help us to be the true clinical research professional, which I received the hands-on training. The mentors permitted me to be participate in the actual conducting of the international drug trials, and now I am confident to conduct any drug trials. As this institute has the Institutional Ethics Committee registered under the DCGI, the Drug Controller General of India, and also accredited by the NABH, the National Accreditation Board for the Hospital and Healthcare Providers. They trained me all important functioning of the Ethics Committee. I found a learning atmosphere here, especially created by Dr. Vijay Kumar Gowli sir and other staff members or the faculty members. So it was so conducive to our professional growth. The state-of-art infrastructure and the all required international accreditations makes this place the first choice for the people who wish to be the clinical research professional.
Hi, my name is Babita Yadav and I have recently completed my bachelor's in microbiology from AVM College, and currently I am pursuing my post-graduation in clinical research from Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute, which is in Mira Road, Thane, Maharashtra, India. So as soon as the training of all the sessions have been completed, within the first 3 months of the course, the internship program have been started. The internship program is conducted in such a way that all the candidates get an opportunity to see the live demonstration of all the international drug trials, which makes an understandable and clear the concepts which have been taught in the class. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sonam Singh. I have completed my graduation in biotechnology from Vartak College recently. Currently, I am pursuing post-graduation in clinical research from Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute, which is located in Mira Bhayandar. The best part of this course is that we are taught the case modules and hands-on training are provided simultaneously so that the learning becomes easier for us, and also we are trained by the most prestigious doctors and pharmacists, which are the topics are like pharmacovigilance, ICH, GCP, etc. Thank you.
Hi, myself Afsha Sheikh, and I have completed my bachelor's in chemistry from Mumbai University, and currently I am pursuing my post-graduation in clinical research from Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute. The module-based teaching teaches about the opportunities, guidelines and regulations, which makes us comprehend and easy way to understand. When faculties were teaching us about the essay reporting, that is serious adverse event, the incident was done live and we were a part of it, which was done from our institute to Drug General of India. It helped me to relate the theoretical aspect of this concept in more mature and complete way. Lastly, I would like to tell, if you are looking for the opportunity to explore clinical research, then this is the course you can opt for. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Vritti Mistry and I have completed my Master of Science degree from Mirabai College, Mumbai. Post which I pursued my career in post-graduation clinical research from Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute, Mira Road, Thane, Mumbai. Today I am a part of 4 clinical trials and 3 investigator-initiated projects. I am also a part of biomedical team in which I have got this wonderful opportunity to draft protocol, informed consent form, case record form and patient questionnaire. This all was possible due to the module which have been designed so precisely and accurately by India's most prestigious clinical research professional. We have a total of 8 modules which consist of GCP training, NDCT Rule 2019, ICMR 2017. We have been trained with appropriate examples and hands-on training which have made our understanding more clear and strong. This all have contributed in my career in clinical research. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sudiksha Pandey. I have completed my BSc Biotechnology from Thakur College of Science and Commerce. After completing my graduation from biotechnology, I always had a keen interest in clinical trials. So I started my post-graduation course from Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute. It's been 6 to 7 months since I have been part of this institute. This institute has provided me with learning and experiences that are preparing me for industry. The unique pedagogy that involves practical knowledge, conducting 2 clinical researches, being involved in various pharma companies driven researches, and they also groom us for the challenges that we might face, whether it is related to patient clinical trial activities, documentation or regulatory correspondence. It is the state-is-the-art infrastructure of our institute that involves various equipments like refrigerator from 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 80 degrees Celsius. We also have centrifuge machines along with cold centrifuge machine for blood samplings. Along with this, we also have lock and key storage system for IP storage, that is investigational product storage with limited biometric accessibilities. The entire department is NABH accredited under NABH EC clinical trial program of new government initiative. The entire department is also biometric enabled to ensure the confidentiality of the documents and other related studies. The infrastructure itself involves so many various aspects of clinical trials. Last but not the least, the experienced professor, doctors and other staff who are always ready to guide us, motivate us and help us at each phase during our entire journey. Thank you. Hari.
Hello, my name is Swati Gupta. I have completed my graduation with chemistry in Thakur College, Science and Commerce, Kandivali, and currently I am pursuing my post-graduation in clinical research with Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute. Here within a productive atmosphere, I enjoy working within an environment where the members of a team have a strong sense of camaraderie and work ethics, good work ethics, and also facilities and mentors here are very competent and kind-hearted, so working with them are very comfortable. My parents are very happy that I am in good hands. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nisha Khataukar. I have done my bachelor's in microbiology from Abhinav College located at Bhayandar. Currently, I am pursuing post-graduation in clinical research from Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute. The best part of this course is they provide us practical and hands-on training. I found the positive work environment in this hospital very much conducive to learn various aspects of clinical drug trials. Also, all staff members, faculty members and mentors are cooperative, supportive, friendly and team-based work environment. Thank you Bhaktivedanta Hospital for giving me opportunity to be in part of this institute.
Hi, my name is Usman Bora and I have a bachelor degree in microbiology from KJ Somaya College of Science and Commerce. After completion of my bachelor's degree, one of my friends recommended me this course. After going through a lot of videos on YouTube and Google, I could conclude that Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute provides best clinical research course because it not only focuses on theoretical part, but we also get the experience of being a part of clinical trial. After completion of this course, one will have enough experience and will have complete knowledge about clinical trials. As we see here, beautiful synergy between clinical trials and theory. Faculties and mentors gave us live training and also trained us in various challenges which we may encounter in future while working in clinical trial. I am thankful to be a part of this course. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Khan Amina. I have completed my graduation in chemistry from Abhinav College, Bhayandar, and currently I am pursuing my post-graduation in clinical research from Bhaktivedanta Hospital. Unlike any another institute, at our Bhaktivedanta Hospital, we offer internship program on the very first day of the beginning of the course, unlike any another institute. And I myself, after completing my training and successful training of all the modules, have been delegated as the CRC of various international drug trials. And on the top of that, I had also been trained by principal investigator of various studies on how to get different type of consent, like namely written consent, audio video consent and assent form. I myself have taken many different type of consent in all those international drug trial in which I was delegated as a clinical research coordinator, and I am very thankful to be a part of this wonderful course. Thank you.
Hello, I am Bhargavi Paital. I have completed Masters in Pharmacy from Utkal University, Odisha. Now I am pursuing
post-graduation in clinical research in Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute. This is the course which is very much beneficial for me, that because I am from pharma background and it is very much beneficial for my future career also. After completion of few months in this hospital in our study, I have got the opportunity to be a part of the international clinical drug trial. In this drug trial, I have got delegated in some of our studies. The clinical research associates of different pharma companies has trained me and guided me in the time of site initiation visit activities. In the part of these site initiation visit activities, I got some experience like the randomization and initiation of the studies and IBRS, IWRS, and though I am a pharmacist, I have to reconstitute of the IP during the administration of the drugs and handling of the IP and maintaining the data of the temperature where the IP are kept in the fridge. And here we have conducted so many trials under the guidance of the senior doctors like onco trials, like broncho trials and cardiovascular trials. And here we are getting the opportunity to become the part of a biomedical research committees like investigator initiative studies. So thank you so much to Bhaktivedanta Hospital.
Hi, myself Jaya Tripathi. I have completed my bachelor's in chemistry from Patkar Wade College. Currently, I am pursuing post-graduation in clinical research from Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute. So the state art of year infrastructure is international as per, provides an excellent opportunity to the best for the possible best. So over here the feasibility, there are like three parts we have divided in infrastructure over here. First is feasibility. Feasibility is a single point of contact for sponsors, for all pharmaceutical sponsor sites. The second department, if we come, then it is biomedical and health research department, where we received investigator initiated studies training. Now the third department comes over here is ethics committee department, where there are three departments for specially. First department is for looking for biomedical and health research department, second is looking for academic clinical trial, and third is for drug international trial. Now if we come to drug international trial is where we undertake drug international trials especially, and multicentric investigator studies from various institutes. That's it. Thank you.